So today's a pretty big day. We finally moved into the new shop. If you've been keeping up with the channel, I've been kind of like walking back here and sneaking in to this new shop they've been building, but it's finally done. We finally moved in this morning. I'm still trying to get all my tools and stuff swapped over to the toolbox they're providing us. But yeah, sorry, it's kind of loud. But it's exciting because I'm gonna be creating a lot of content in this bay. It's in a good spot. It's on the outside. I'm in the corner. I'm in this spot here. So I just feel like it'd be a good little spot for me to create some content. I have access to a lot of equipment, a lot of tools. Transmission went on the CRV. I got it backed up right there. I bought a transmission over the weekend, and I've got a hoist right here because my wife's fixing to come drop in the transmission. So I'm going to use that to snatch the transmission out of the car. And yeah, I'm going to be doing the transmission on the CRV here pretty soon. So let me give you a quick tour. So this is the box they gave me. That's my old box. I'm swapping everything over, and I'm going to be taking that home. I got my old wheels chilling right there. Yeah, I mean, not much to show you. This is what the rest of the shop looks like. Yeah, so I think it's kind of cool that I'm here. I got this wall, so I can kind of like set up a, I don't know, like just mount a camera somewhere, just record a whole bunch of content without having a bunch of people watch me or knowing what I'm doing, kind of. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. Pretty freaking exciting. I've been waiting for this for a long time. It is climate controlled. Got the AC ducts and everything up there. Big fans. It's really nice. I've been waiting for this for a while. So this whole time I've had a cut in my intercooler piping. This entire time I've been boosting for like probably a couple months now. So this entire time I've had a boost leak. So I'm gonna just put a dab of JB Weld in there and tape it up. It'll probably respond a lot better if I cover this up. I'm surprised I'm still getting 10 pounds of boost. Fuck it, I'll use all of it. Hell yeah. JB Weld fixes everything. Alright. I started sanding the front of the car too because I think I'm gonna paint it either white or black. I know they're like two totally opposite colors, but I think it'd be cool if it was kind of like murdered out, you know, black wheels, black paint. I'm still not for sure what I'm gonna do yet. Hell yeah. It's gonna have like 20 pounds of boost now. So I've been going over the fenders, hood and bumper, and I got some help. He went over the trunk, a little bit of the quarter panels. We're just scuffing it all up with these scuff pads. Everything's pretty straight. The body's in good shape, but I do want to fix these little door dings. It's got tiny little dings in the door that I'm gonna take care of. And yeah, I'm not even sure what the plan is with this car. I'm kind of just, you know, coming up with ideas as it progresses. I'm gonna have to fix these holes or get another SI spoiler. I bought this car without the spoiler. I'm gonna have to take off this vinyl to prep the fender. What are you doing? Angry eyes. And paint the top, like color match the top. Yeah. They do it legit to where they actually make the hood come down further.
Yeah, that's so expensive.
Kind of looks like the EG, like an older Civic. Yeah, looks alright.
Put tape on it.
Just tape it all up. He really wants to see what it looks like with angry eyes. So just gonna let him go at it with some masking tape. So I've only had these tires for maybe a couple weeks, and it's just like a one-wheel peel. It spins this passenger tire before it spins the driver's side, and it's already 1/32 slower than the driver's side. So if I do too many more burnouts with these, I'm gonna have to rotate them, switch them out, put this one on the other side to wear them out evenly. So yeah, this side, the tread's already smooth. See the little tags when it's new? They're not on the tread anymore, but on the driver's side, it still has the little tags. You see them right here? So yeah, they wear up pretty fast. I wouldn't recommend driving these every day. But I have a really short commute to work. I live like probably 5 miles away, so I'm just gonna live with it. It's alright. The only thing I don't like about the angry eyes is when you see the line right here. It's like you gotta make the hood come down. Like do like a custom hood to be like legit.
But I'm gonna have to get all this done.
Oh yeah.
Like the fender, you're gonna have to bring it down, you're gonna have to bring this down.
Too much work. I'll just tape it. Paint the tape. I don't think I told you all yet, but this is the transmission for the CR-V. Picked it up for like $100. Came off an automatic Integra. It's got the VIN tag. It says DC4, which is a B18B Integra. DC4. So before I swap it into the CR-V, I think I'm gonna get new solenoids. Obviously drain the fluid, put new fluid in there. And I don't know, just trying to think of like how I can freshen it up before I actually swap it in. So the CR-V is back there. Oh, a new torque converter. This one looks like it's been outside for a while. It's all rusted up. Unfortunately, it's not an all-wheel drive trans. It's just a front-wheel drive trans. I couldn't really be too picky. I need to get the CR-V back on the road because it is my extra vehicle. And once I get that going, I'll be able to invest more time into this one. I need to drop the trans and do the input shaft bearing, get a new clutch. And while it's apart, I think I'm gonna get some new axles as well. Why? Oh, because it'll get stuck on there or what?
The residue?
Oh, yeah. Race car. Damn. Subscribe. It really helps. And comment below if you have any questions, or if you want your video featured, shoot me in on Facebook or Instagram, something like that. I'll feature it on my channel. But thanks for watching. See you next one. I'm gonna neutral slam it.
The fuck? You still fixed that?
Oh, bullshit to that too, huh? Episode 2 of the, fuck, what's the title? Hold on.